How to add WhatsApp link in TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, open up WhatsApp in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you're on this chat page, navigate to top right corner and tap on the three dots icon. From this drop down box, click on settings. Now under the settings page, tap on this QR code icon from the top right corner. Once you get to your QR code, at the top there is a share icon. Tap on the share icon from the top right corner. Now scroll down in this drop down box and then choose the note. Again, from here, scroll down a bit, there you'll get a link to your WhatsApp account. So all you have to do is copy that link. Once you have copied it, now you have to open up the TikTok in your device. Now once you are on TikTok and log into your account, but to add the WhatsApp link in TikTok or any other link in TikTok, you have to have at least 1,000 of followers in TikTok. Then only you will be able to add your WhatsApp link in TikTok. If you have 1,000 of followers in TikTok, and make sure to switch your account to your business or your professional account. Once you switch it to professional account and you have the 1,000 followers, then navigate to profile by tapping on the profile from the bottom right corner. Once you land on this, now tap on edit profile. After that, in this interface, if you have 1,000 followers and switch to your business account, then you will get an option to add the link. Tap on link, then add a WhatsApp link, and then your link will be saved in your TikTok account. So that is the way to add WhatsApp link in TikTok, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.